So it's official. I am selling my Jeep because I am low on washer fluid. That's my decision. No one's changing my mind. And yeah, that's what's gonna happen. What is up, everyone? Right now, I am currently putting in these blacked out headlight bezels, or whatever you want to call them, for my XJ. I decided to paint the inner part of the grille black to see how it would look. I didn't get to finish the headlight part last night, and I went off-roading. That's why the car is a mess and has ice all over it. But I was able to finish this. Earlier I had to use a heat gun because this was all ice in here. But now it looks pretty good. The grille's clipped back in. So I'm just gonna put these in quickly. It's gonna look kind of weird because they're really clean. The rest is super dirty, but whatever. It is so cold. It's ridiculous. Okay, so here's the grill. I'm digging it so far. I was kind of unsure if I would like the black grill on this. Actually, I've never shown this car on YouTube. I just noticed. I'll do a full walk around, I guess, after I clean it. I might bring it to the car wash. Maybe that's what I'll do for today. Friends are over and we're gonna go to this car wash thing. It's like 7 stores for this stupid part. It's ridiculous. Hey! Who are you? I hate using the GoPro. It's so bad. It's so hard to like record from a distance. You're such an idiot. Alright, I'm gonna start it and see how bad a leak I have, or if there's anything else. I'll probably need to buy like some more clamps and stuff. I'll put that right there. Please don't fall. I really don't want this camera to fall. Is back. It lost it because it was leaking so bad. That's a lot better. I don't feel anything coming out. That has a little leak. That I'll worry about a different day when I have money to buy a clamp. But yes, finally. Back. So it's official. I am selling my Jeep because I am low on washer fluid. That's my decision. No one's changing my mind. And yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Too many XJs. We need more JKs. Hey look, it's a shitty meetup.
Let me move my truck for you.
Oh. So after a long, I don't even know, a couple hours, we got food, and then on our way back from getting food, I guess my exhaust pipe fell off because I didn't put another clamp on it. So yeah, that was fun. So I had to run home and do that. Now it's 4:30 and now we're almost at the car wash. That was a big bump. And one of my friends with the red XJ had to go home, so now we have one of my friends with the Pontiac that's gonna come to the car wash with us. And it is currently snowing, so that's pretty cool. Alright, we finally made it. Did I ask for you to come over here?
Okay.
I didn't
I
say.
really need to pee, so could I clean your car while peeing on it?
No, leave me
What am I
alone.
doing right now.
Lead the way, Pontiac boy. Oh, we're racing the Pontiac. Oh, he's gone. My exhaust just fell off.